Hey friend, this is Truth Channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, or subscribe. Today I will be studying lesson Thursday, October 16, Beyond the Jordan. He turned the sea into dry land. They went through the river on foot. There we will rejoice in him. Psalm 66:6. Both the crossing of the Red Sea and of the Jordan are markers of a new era in the biblical history, and both carry symbolic significance. See Psalm 66:6, Psalm 114:1-7. Already in the Old Testament, there are texts that link the two crossing events and recognize the meaning, which point beyond the original setting. In Psalm 66, the psalmist celebrated God's redemptive act in his life. Psalm 66, 16:19, by referring to the historical examples of the crossing of the Red Sea and the Jordan. Psalm 114 also ties the two events together, not because the author did not see the chronological difference between them, but because of the theological significance that the two crossing share. Thus, both events are seen as contributing to a change in Israel's status, once from slavery to freedom, then from nomadic landlessness to nationhood. In this psalm, the examples of the two crossing illustrate the change in status of the order, from oppression, poverty, helplessness, and humiliation to safety, well-being, salvation, and dignity. It is also by the Jordan that Elijah translations takes place in the context of a similar miracle to the ones recorded in Joshua. For Elijah, the crossing brought the most significant status change in his life. He was taken to heaven. For Elisha, the change is also important. The prophet's assistant becomes the prophet of the nation. The earthly ministry of Jesus as a representative of Israel followed the pattern of the history of ancient Israel. Jesus undergoes the Red Sea and Jordan experiences. He is called out of Egypt after a death decree. Matthew 2:14, 16. Spent 40 days in the wilderness, similar to ancient Israel, 40 years, and as a transition from his private life to his public ministry. He's baptized in the Jordan. Later, Hebrews 3:4 recognize the symbolic significance of the crossing of the Jordan, and present the entrance into Canaan as foreshadowing the rest of grace that Christian entered through faith. May God bless. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Truth Channel.